We're getting ready to go bowling. Rush Lanes.
Boo Boo's birthday. If they have an opening.
Boobies. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Boo Boo's birthday. Rushworks bowling.
You can open the door without my bubble. See? Don't have to do.
You ready?
Ah, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if Matt's still required.
Live it up. Live it up.
They're big.
Your shoes are?
Yeah. If I fall. Look at these sweet flames.
Let me see your shoes. Man, you look good, Cash.
It's kind of a little bit uncomfortable.
No. There's a 10 pounder. Did you find like an 8? Can you hold this one? Let's see.
Yep.
Let's see that ball.
Hold on. Let's see if we can find a lighter one though. Show Dad that one.
Oh man, it looks good. All
This one's lighter.
sparkly.
Like it's small.
Oh my gosh.
Is it heavy?
Don't drop it on your toes.
Huh?
Still having troubles getting your shoes on?
That one? Okay, that one's 9 pounds. That's gonna be the lightest I found so far.
Oh well.
Go with the 10 pounder.
Good, I'm doing it.
That's pretty good.
A little rusty. The bumper helped me.
Gotta wait for your ball to come back. That was a good one, Dad. Ooh, I think you got it. Still really good. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to help him so he doesn't throw it in another room? Yeah, it's a 10 pounder. That's a good one, Boo.
I just went statue.
It might bump against it. Oh, it's moving.
I didn't even see that coming.
Don't leave that hanging.
All right.
Only gonna be one.
Cat, just make sure that you don't ever cross that line. It's really slippery when you cross that line, okay? Like you would fall down. And I don't want you to get hurt.
Oh my gosh, you got strength.
Yeah.
Dang, this
It's like the first time in a long time.
Pro bowler. Oh my.
Right down the middle.
I think it's the shoes.
Maybe. Or maybe it's the House Targaryen.
House Targaryen socks?
Yes.
Oh, I just can't get it.
I would like right to the middle too. Maybe it's just too hard.
I'm not trying to throw it hard. I don't know. I'm not as good as you. Here we go. Oh man. That ball, the fingers. I'm not gonna use excuses, but the ball I can't really find. They have a lot of kids bowls here. They don't have like a lot of adult bowls.
Sure.
Yeah, I know. So
Well, mine hurt my thumb, but I still got strength. Ooh, good job! High five!
King of butt.
Yeah!
Ooh, your turn. Get him, Tiger.
What? What do you think?
There you go.
Don't run up there though, okay?
I only need
Okay, yep, 4 more. Get it, Bill. That's so good. You're pretty
It's a good thing that I got it not again.
Whatever. I didn't distract you.
I'll look at your favorite Metallica. Salmon?
I don't know the song. Shame on me.
Yeah,
Shame on me.
Get it, Bill.
Oh my goodness. Baby, don't say a word. It's just a beast under your bed. We probably won't be able to use any of this because it'll definitely be copyrighted by Metallica.
No. You gotta put music over it. That's all you gotta do. And then you have this sound, this time where you don't have music on.
Do what now?
Like the 39 coins mean like real coins.
No, the score on the scoreboard up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just your score. That's just your score for bowling. Dang, Dale.
I thought it was gonna go, but it didn't. Where'd Jet go? Is he gonna get another ball?
Dang, Dale.
We're tied. You and I are.
Dang it, Dale. I can't get it straight to save my life. What the
I
heck?
thought it was gonna be one.
Welcome to the long life. Be sure you subscribe to our channel. Have you ever been bowling? Comment below. Thumb to the ceiling. My mom taught me that.
What is it?
When you go,
Throw to the ceiling?
thumb to the ceiling.
Oh.
Thumb to the ceiling. It's Sue Frank Long. Yeah, job,
Yeah,
boy.
boy.
Get it, boo. Get it, boo boo. Throw that ball down there.
What is that?
It's heavy.
Duh.
Cash, throw it between your legs, buddy. Cash. Like that.
Gotta watch out, I can't see it. Look what you got. I'm in last place. Where's my good luck this time? Thank you.
Oh man, so close. So close.
It's better than a 7. I'll tell you that. Good job. Hey, don't press it. Good job.
Good job, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Is it your turn, Boo? Boo, is it your turn?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
I get like a 9 10. I think I'm
Can you listen to this song without headbanging? Can't seem to get a single strike. I haven't got a single strike this whole time.
You got straight.
No, I got spare. They ain't getting a strike. Where? Bird chili chili. That wind is cold.
You're gonna break that.
Here to tell you.
No, don't do it yet. Hey, you're gonna break my door handles.
Yeah.
The dad's gonna fix it.
I don't want to do that.
Can you get buckled in?
Cash, what'd you think of the bowling?
Chili. Where are we gonna eat, guys?
What did you guys think of the bowling?
Fun.
Fun times, huh? Mm-hmm. Jet won. Good job.
Yeah.
My thumb hurts now for that ball.
Yeah, you can only do, especially when you don't have a ball that doesn't fit your fingers very good.
Yeah, see, it's red.
Oh my god.
That's the part.
It's terrible.
Wait, Mom, can I see?
Looks like it's forming a blister.
Oh my gosh. All in all, highly recommend Rush Lanes if you want to go bowling.
We left right when they started
Right when they turned
Cosmic
off.
Bowling.
Yeah, but it would have been hard to get video with
Maybe not.
it being dark like that.
You can still get video. You got video in your one bowling in the Mars with no problem.
True.